My name's Stuart. I'm the operations manager of the Cricket Inn in Peasands.
Hi, I'm Scott. I'm also the operations manager.
The Cricket Inn is basically a seafood and grill restaurant, stroke pub, stroke rooms. The style of the Cricket Inn is very simple sort of food we do. 90% of the menu comes off the Josper. You know, I think sometimes doing simple is the hardest sort of cooking to do because there's nowhere to hide essentially.
I mean, we are blessed with ingredients as the sea is on our doorstep, stone throw away from the front door of the Cricket Inn. 90% of our shellfish comes from a guy that lives in Peasands himself. We source very, very good meat, you know, starting from rump steak, sirloins, T-bones for two, tomahawks for two, Chateaubriand, all obviously cooked on the Josper. Our ethos is to try and put everything on the barbecue.
The way I found out about Josper really was I used to work with a guy who had one. I always really enjoyed cooking on one, and then, you know, I was the one that was pushing it really hard to get here because of the standard of food we wanted to do here, and the idea of the Josper. You know, you're not waiting for a pan to heat up. You know, they're so quick and rapid when you're cooking on them. It just gives fish so much flavour. That's the thing about it. I mean, the fish is obviously, and the meat. If you buy good ingredients, then it's easy. But the Josper it works very well with delicate flavours as well.
You're working in the front of the house of the restaurant, greeting every customer when they walk through the door. We almost drill it into them that our ethos is all based around the Josper grill. You know, it's just something different that nobody else is doing around here.
I would recommend it definitely, especially a similar sort of restaurant to us. Then I would highly recommend one. Like the speed and everything of them is fantastic. So for any chef, I think if you're thinking about it, get one.
Yeah, I mean, get rid of your pans, get rid of your water baths, get rid of your thermomixers, and buy a Josper.